Alrighty, so hello. My name's Ekaterina. This is my portfolio. Um, there's not much to it. I didn't really understand how to do this assessment properly, if I did do it right at all. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So these were the three projects that I did that really stood out to me that I really liked. So first one was my public health issue. This was me talking about autism. I benefited from this because I have a brother who's autistic, and so being able to speak about that and acknowledge or be knowledgeable to others about the disorder or about autism, being able to speak about it properly and have people better understand, helped me better understand it, and it really helped me benefit when it comes to becoming an adoption counselor, what I may run into and how to go about it properly. This one, let me see if I can jump into it, because I don't remember what this one was about. Okay, so this one was about just talking about myself and like kind of what I want to do, and two people that I interviewed. One was my school counselor, her name was Connie, and then the other one was my sister and my dad. My dad, because he is a recruiter and he's going to be the one to help me be able to find a job once I do end up graduating. And then my sister, she is let me see, I don't remember why. Oh yeah, she works in prosthetics for kids. So being able to see what she does and being able to learn how to have that patience. Same with finding a job and learning, like from Connie as a counselor in high school, like all of that. All three of these people have tremendous patience, and so being able to learn about patience is really going to be important to me in the world of adoption counseling. And then graduation ready. This is actually a YouTube video, pretty much going over all of my portfolio projects that I've done since I've started. Going over them, what I've learned, what I have pulled from them. It's all in like one big chart, but I decided to pick this one because being able to see really why I picked those outcomes with those portfolio projects, I guess is helpful. I will say one mistake I did make, or I have made, is not realizing that with every outcome, your project needs to match. So some of those, I will say, are just happy clicking, which is okay, but at the end of the day, I did not take the time to realize that. And so that is a YouTube video, and it's just one big chart of different outcomes and then me talking about what I learned about in each one. And then Bryan and Stratton College, that's where I'm at now, with a Human Services Associate's degree. And then I have my resume. Let's see if I can open this. Ta-da! Yes, this is my resume. I chose to add this because I believe it is very important to be able to show off my skills, what I'm doing now, how my career is going to benefit me in the future. Yes. But yes, those were my portfolio projects that I had added as of right now that I believe are going to be most beneficial. But yeah, I do appreciate you taking the time to listen to this, and I apologize if I did any of this wrong. Yeah. Anyways, have a good night.